What we have here are the four most popular set-top boxes. And when I say set-top box, I mean high-definition gaming system, high-definition cable or satellite receiver, DVD player, analog gaming system. And what I want to do is I want to connect them up the best way possible to this small screen high-definition television. When I say the best way possible, I want to use the maximum performance out of these set-top boxes, and I want to put them into this TV to get the best overall audio-video experience we can have. The jack panel that you'll see on this television set right here applies to several sets in the Philips lineup. What I want you to do is take a look at the models on screen to see where they apply. So let's get started. The first item I want to hook up here is the DVD player. And for that, I'm going to use the S-Video connection. The S-Video connection is a single one-wire solution that's going to connect the DVD player to the television with a great picture. So what I'll do is I'll find the S-Video output on the DVD player here. And let me look for the corresponding S-Video input, which happens to be located on AV2 on this TV set. And now I've connected up the picture. But again, S-Video only brings picture and not sound, so I have to hook up the audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a left and right or red and white audio cable, and I'm going to go from the DVD player to the corresponding input on the television. So as I find my left and right or red and white audio out from the DVD player, I'll now find the input, which there it is right next to the S-Video input, and I'll plug in my red and my white. So now I've hooked up my DVD player with picture and sound, and with the right input chosen, AV2 on this television, I should get a great picture. The next thing I want to hook up is going to be the high-definition cable or satellite receiver. Now I'm going to hook up the audio first, and there's a reason that I'm going to show you in a second. But I'm going to use the traditional left and right audio, indicated by the red and white markings here. I'm going to go to my cable box here, and I'm going to hook up my red, and I'm going to hook up my white. And now I have to look for the corresponding input, which on this TV is going to be AV1. Now the reason why I've chosen to hook up the audio first is because it's located in the back. And to be an easy connection, I put the audio in the back, and now the component video, which is going to be the picture, and I grab that right here, and I go from the set-top box, again using red, green, and blue, output of the set-top box to red, green, and blue input. So let me go ahead and do that. Here's my green, and my blue, and my red, out of the HD cable box, and I'm going to go to the input. And again, remember I said the audio is in the back, so it's out of the way. And I go ahead and I connect my green, my blue, and my red. So now I've hooked up the audio and the video from my HD cable box or satellite receiver into this TV. And again, with the right input selected, AV1, I should get a great picture on this television. The next thing I want to hook up is going to be the high-definition gaming system. The high-def gaming system basically is going to be using an HDMI cable. HDMI is a fantastic cable in that it delivers a high-definition picture with great audio on one wire. Let's go ahead and hook this up. Here's the HDMI output from the high-def gaming system. And now I'm going to find the HDMI input, which is right here on the bottom of the TV. All right, so I've hooked up the high-definition picture and sound from the high-def gaming system, so when the HDMI input on the TV set is chosen and the gaming system's turned on, I should get a great audio and video experience. The last thing I want to hook up is the analog gaming system. Now this manufacturer's chosen to use a dongle type connection, whereby their dongle terminates in a composite video and left and right audio cable for us. And because gaming systems are more of a temporary install, like maybe place it on the floor, I'm going to go ahead and use the side jack on this TV set. So let's go ahead and do that. Got a little red, a little white, and yellow. So now when the side input is chosen on this TV and I've got the gaming system turned on, I should get a great picture and great sound. The only other thing I might recommend at this point is to use a little cable management. Grab the wires, take off this little holder here, place it on the back of the TV set, and go ahead and lock everything in. So now I've cleaned up a little bit of that spaghetti mess you might see. Well, that wasn't so bad. I've taken the four most popular set-top boxes, I've hooked them up the best way possible, giving the best performance from the boxes into the high-definition TV set, and I should get a great audio and video experience. And with Philips, simplicity is a great audio-video experience.